What's up there, friend? My name is Simon Onyango. Welcome to this channel. If you're new, this is your first time, welcome. In this channel, I make videos about how to make money, generally online or whatever way you want. We'll review, learn, and share. So, in this particular video, I just want us to catch up. I've been away for a while. I know you've been busy with doing some things. Tell me what you've been doing in the comment section below. First of all, I want you to like this video and then subscribe if you have not. So in this video, I wanted to look briefly, very briefly about auction trade, the one just disappeared. So a lot of people were bothering me well, not bothering me really, but they were asking me to join option trade, sending me links to join option trade. So auction trade or live auction, well, it's live auction trade, live auction, whatever it is, where you bid for shares. So I didn't join auction trade because of several things. I don't understand how their shares work, because that's not how shares works. Shares don't shoot within a day, and you don't project that shares will shoot up to 30% in 4 days. It doesn't work that way. So I didn't find it making sense to me. In real sense, it was just another pyramid that lasts long or something. Because I know at some point there will be people not bidding, and that's how it falls. Even though I didn't join, a lot of people are making money. A lot of people made money. You can make money. People made money with it, but as usual, I don't join things that I don't understand. Even if it's a scam that I know that this is a scam or a hype, I only join that hype if what they say they do makes sense to me. So as a risk taker, by the way, don't just be taking any risk that comes around. Evaluate first, see which risk you can take. I'm not saying taking risk in option trade on live auction was a bad risk. It was a good risk. You could take it, but personally, I don't take such risk. So they said they can give you up to 95% in 12 days. Shares, they don't promise. Shares, they can project, but their shares is not normal shares anyway, so it was just another hype. If you are new to this channel, we have ways you can make money. We have these programs. We have MLM, that is multi-level marketing. So for multi-level marketing, for something to be called multi-level marketing, it means you need to have a product. You see, you are marketing something to your friends, so you need a product to market. Most of these things, they call themselves MLM and they don't have a product. You see, what are you marketing? You are marketing bringing more people, like join, bring 4 people, join, bring more people, join, bring more people. You are not actually marketing. And some that say that they have products, they will tell you they have surveys. Surveys, well, it could be, but surveys that they tell you nowadays, the things I see in Kenya, the sites that come up in Kenya, they ask you questions like, who was the father of Jesus? That is a survey. That is playing with people's mind, because in real sense, surveys are supposed to be like they should be collecting data that they use to, maybe data that is useful to a company. You see, for me to pay to do a survey, it means the data I'm receiving should be adding value to my company. These guys, they just take, they don't actually, they don't add any value. Okay, so that's why. But again, some hype here called option trade. So option trade, this is how it looks. Option trade, this is how it looks. They trade binary options. That means they take the altcoins and trade it with the main coins. So I put in here like 10k, that is $100, and then when it was now my time to withdraw, I had made like 20,000. I wanted to withdraw 20,000. When I tried to withdraw, they are telling me to pay 20 bob more, 20% more, so that I can withdraw my money. Like that is transaction charge or service charge, I don't know. So that is just a trap. Anything that after I've invested and it has matured and it's now my time to withdraw, they should not be bringing such issues. So I went on to ask them questions why I'm supposed to be doing that. So you know, you always try to follow up. So I tried following up because they are responding on their site. They really respond. So I went to their site and told them I have an issue with my account because I keep withdrawing, and the next day they return what I withdrew back to my account. Like they don't send and it doesn't disappear. You just don't get it in your wallet. So that's when I contacted them. They told me, they told me to pay that $20 and all that stuff. Then I tried to threaten them. I told them, you should know that this conversation is being recorded and I will upload it on YouTube, of which I'm doing. I'm uploading it on YouTube. You're watching. Because you see, everybody needs to know when you come across a scam, you need to tell other people so that. Because if I don't tell you now, someone maybe in South Africa, or they will go to South Africa, or they will go to Nigeria, or they will go to Tanzania, or they may come back to Kenya and scam us. So if you come across these things, you should be telling us maybe in the comment section below. Mention one that scammed you and it was not, it's still operating, like this one is still operating, but they scammed me. So after that, I told them I have a YouTube channel and I'm going to upload this video. After telling them that, they blocked me from the site. I can't log in. They banned me from their website. They banned my account. If I try to log in, it just keeps looping that same place, just because I told them that they're scammers. After that, after a few days, I got an email from them asking me to share with them my YouTube channel so that we can negotiate. And then, I only had like 600 subscribers. There's no way I can send them that because they'll see it's not worth it. By the time I get the big following, they shall have disappeared. So guys, subscribe more so that we can expose these people. Like this video and subscribe. If you like it, more people will see it. More people seeing it means they will stop operation. So when I told them I'm not going to do that, it will be a surprise to them and a blow. And then here we are, I'm uploading it. And another thing, I joined Crowd1, though this is how my account looks like. I've not made so much from it. And these guys, by the way, they lied to us that they have products. We will launch a big product. We are launching something that never happens. So Crowd1, I've withdrew like $27, and then this one here, this is my balance. This is like two pounds or something, €2, I don't know. It's just another pyramid scheme. These products are not real. So always be keen on what you want to do, because in real sense, now they're launching Magister, telling people to register and pay €99. 99 euros, that is like 12,000 Kenyan shillings, just to play videos and receive pennies. Not worth it. Maybe I'll share with you an app that I use to make a good amount of money, like $12 in 2 weeks. Small, but it's worth it than paying 12,000 to earn the same amount. Why don't you just use the free one? It's free. You don't have to subscribe or do anything. So that is it for now. Maybe tell me what your experience has been. Well, what have you been up to? And by the way, this a quick announcement. I didn't plan to do it right now, but let me just make it. I'll be making more videos on how you can use skills to earn rather than just investing and bringing people and doing what. I'll be making more videos of maybe blogging, creating content, selling your pictures if you are a photographer, or how you can make money offline, not just online alone. So stick around, like this video, share, comment below, tell me which program you are currently into, which program you want me to review, and I'll still review these sites. I'll expose the scams, I'll review the scams, review the pyramid scheme, review hypes, but I won't major on that. My major videos will be how you can make money without necessarily having to invest or necessarily having to build a network. My dog. So guys, see you in my next video. Like, subscribe and comment below. Take care.